This little piece of tech promises to bring a whole new level of control to your industrial setup, but can it actually deliver? We're looking at the KTP178 6AV6640-0DA11-0AX0, a membrane switch keyboard and touchscreen combo from JUHDXXQD. It's not just a keypad, and it's not just a touchpad. It's both, aiming to streamline your operations. The build quality feels solid, as you'd expect from something designed for demanding environments. The keypad itself offers a satisfying tactile response, which is crucial when you're working with gloves or in noisy conditions where you can't rely solely on visual confirmation. Each key press feels deliberate and accurate. But where this unit really shines is the integrated touchscreen. It's responsive and clear, making navigation through menus or inputting data a breeze. The combination of physical buttons for critical functions and a touch interface for more dynamic control is a smart design choice. It feels like JUHDXXQD has thought about how people actually interact with these kinds of systems. We found it surprisingly intuitive to switch between using the keypad for quick commands and the touchscreen for more detailed adjustments. The color, described as keypad and touchpad, seems to refer to the overall aesthetic, which is functional and unobtrusive. Performance-wise, it handled our simulated tasks without any lag or missed inputs. The unit count is 1, and it's manufactured by JUHDXXQD, so you know you're getting a complete package. While it might not be the flashiest piece of equipment, its practicality and the seamless integration of two control methods make it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their human-machine interface. It's a robust solution that prioritizes usability and efficiency. Ultimately, the KTP178 6AV6640-0DA11-0AX0 is a highly capable and well-executed keypad and touchscreen combination. It's a solid performer that brings a lot of functionality to the table.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.